Hi everyone. This video is going to be talking about making sound on the clarinet and setting up your clarinet embouchure correctly. Clarinets have a bit of a challenge in order to practice this because we have to put the mouthpiece together, and the mouthpiece is in 3 separate parts. So, first thing you should do when you open your case, take a reed, which should be in these plastic little cases, or little sleeves. Take the reed and just place it in your mouth. The reed won't vibrate and create the sound properly if it's not wet. You're going to have a very difficult time. So make sure that you just put the reed in your mouth. Don't bite down on it. Don't do anything like that. Just let it sit in your mouth and get damp. As you do this, take your mouthpiece and your ligature. The mouthpiece is this right here. The ligature is this silver piece. And this is what holds the reed in place on the mouthpiece. So, the reed is in your mouth. Don't worry about this. This is just the mouthpiece cap for you to put it in your case to keep it clean. Take your reed out. Now take your mouthpiece. Find the side that has the hole right here, which is where the reed vibrates. Take your reed. The side that says Rico goes face down. So this side says Rico, goes face down. And then, if you see as I do it, make sure that your reed lines up with the top of the mouthpiece. So the top of the reed lines up with the top of the mouthpiece. If you have it down too far, like this, or have it too far like this, it's not going to vibrate, you're not going to get the sound. And you're going to be very upset because you're not getting the sound that you want. Now, use your thumb, hold the reed in place so it doesn't move. Take it with your other hand, take the ligature. There's two ends to there's this side with the screws, and then there's the front side. The side with the screws is what goes on the same side as the reed. If you look at your ligature, you'll see that there's the two ends of it. One of them is smaller, one of them is larger. Just like the clarinet, where one end is smaller and one end is larger. Put the larger side on first, and all you have to do is slide it over your reed. Keep the reed aligned. It will want to shift just a little bit. Keep the reed where it was, and then all you have to do is tighten these screws. Not all the way, just enough so that the reed is no longer shifting. And now, you're all set with your mouthpiece. To make sound, we have to do this. Practice. Take your thumb. Make your thumb touch the bottom of your top row of teeth. Take your bottom lip and bring it over your bottom teeth like this. Once you've done that, pull your corners back, almost like you're smiling, and close your mouth. Now, try blowing. If no sound comes out, that is correct. It means that you've sealed your mouth properly and all the air is going to your thumb. Now, simply replace your thumb with the mouthpiece all set up. So, the top of the mouthpiece touches your teeth. If you heard that click sound, that's the mouthpiece touching my teeth. That's how it should be. I'm going to fold my bottom lip over my bottom teeth. I'm going to keep my corners pulled back and firm. And I'm going to close my mouth. And now I'm going to blow into the mouthpiece. It is going to make a horrifying noise at first. That's okay. That's what we're looking for with this. Try again. It's going to be a very unnatural sensation at first. In addition, when you're blowing the air and creating the sound on the mouthpiece, make sure that you're saying the sound to. Your tongue should hit the tip of the reed, right around here. That's going to help start the sound. And that's what we call articulating. one of the best things you can do for yourself is to practice just sustaining that note as long as possible. It builds your muscles in your lips and in your face, and it's going to make it a lot easier once we start playing with the rest of the clarinet as well. So, again, this week, practice getting the mouthpiece together. Be careful that you don't break reeds in the process. Reeds are fragile, they will break pretty easily, and that we don't want to have to constantly be replacing reeds. Then, practice with your thumb, making sure that you're sealing your mouth properly, and then practice blowing into the mouthpiece and getting that high-pitched sound and sustaining it as long as you can. Okay? Thank you for watching this video. Happy practicing.